bringing you the best of local Atlanta businesses in 2 minutes. This is the Daily 2.
Hi, and welcome to the Daily 2. If you've been putting off window replacement because of the hassle, today's guests are here to tell you how upgrading your windows can be stress-free and a straightforward process. Joining us are Ted and Jonathan with Infinity from Marvin by North Georgia Replacement Windows. Guys, welcome back. Now, when I drive around town, I notice a lot of windows that are foggy or rotten. Why do you think that people wait so long to replace them?
Well, Jen, in our experience, people think it's going to be too expensive, or they've heard the nightmare stories of the high-pressure, buy-it-now salespeople.
And what is North Georgia Replacement Windows doing to make this all more affordable?
Well, you can start small. We allow homeowners to do as many or as few windows at one time as they'd like. And then we also have a price lock guarantee for all of our Infinity from Marvin fiberglass windows and doors. And that gives you 3 full years to complete your project.
And any guidance for someone maybe uncomfortable with some of the sketchy sales tactics that are out there?
Yes, just call us instead. We're different. We provide a stress-free experience with quick, accurate proposals without pressure or pricing games. And there's plenty of good reasons why other window and door companies don't want you to see us.
And what advice would you have for someone who's ready to get this window project started?
Definitely do your research. Not all windows are the same. Infinity from Marvin fiberglass windows are beautiful. They're not big and bulky like the vinyl composite windows.
And I understand that you have a special offer for our viewers today.
We have some smart payment plans with some 0% interest and some flexible payment options. And you can experience the Infinity from Marvin fiberglass difference in the comfort of your home or our new Alpharetta showroom.
Great way to get started on a big project. Thank you, guys. I'm Jen Hobby with the Daily 2.